What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, man, it's been crazy. I know everybody's wondering, like, what in the world happened to the 5-a-week uploads and all that. Let me just tell you, there has been so much going on, like traveling, family, you know, the holidays, everything's like all screwed up. I'm busting my butt to get back on a regular schedule. So I've got a big update for you today, which is the main focus of this video. But I've had a lot of people asking what's up with the car. Car is right here. It's clean. It's safe in the garage. We haven't done anything with it in the past couple weeks. And again, traveling for the PRI show, you know, I spent a couple of days with family. Of course, the new shop's being built. Dover's got some family obligations. You know, it's just one of those, it's that time of year. Plus, it's cold. But believe me, there's a lot coming. But the hell with all that. Right now, I got to give you an update. So on the agenda today, I've got to give you a long overdue update on the electric red 93 LX that we promised we were going to essentially restore as back to a bone stock car. This is the project. Picked it up last week down Mississippi, Memphis area, North Mississippi. This is a 93 electric current red, 1 year only color. LX. Now you're looking at it saying this thing absolutely looks terrible. I mean, you can see the paint is like coming off. Obviously the car sat in the sun for a long time. Why would you even want this car? And that's what we're about to get into, and just kind of go over, you know, why this car is special. The car itself is over at Corey's shop. They're doing all the paint and body work, you know, just, you know, slicking the car out. If you caught the video a while back, which I'll put a link to it in the description, the only thing we've done to the car so far is replace the wounded AOD transmission, so it's just great. And then a couple of weeks ago, you saw I was getting the ball rolling on the engine because I'm totally restoring the engine. So I've got an update on not only the engine, but the car itself. That's what we're doing today. Let's do this. Okay guys, so here's the deal. This is the electric red 93. It's still got a lot of work to do, but they've got most of the body work done. All the little dings and dents and stuff like that. It is about to be disassembled, quarter glasses, all of that. Pull all that out. Obviously the lights are out, and bumpers are gonna come off, whatever. However they work their magic here, I don't know, but the car is gonna look phenomenal. And we do have new quarter glasses for the car, but it's actually over here in this shop because they've got a, what was it, 68 Lincoln Continental coming in? 64 Lincoln Continental coming in, and it's going to kind of share the shop with this car. But here it is. I know I haven't done an update on it for a while, but it is here. It's alive, and you'll be seeing it soon. Can't wait to see this car done. It's going to look amazing. Alright guys, so that is what is up with the actual car, but the engine and everything else is out at Dover shop. So let's head out to Dover shop, and got some stuff to show you out there. Let's roll. Alright guys, and just like that, we are back out at the shop. Okay, so obviously the engine, if you caught the video where I dismantled everything, took it all apart, we basically got it down to nothing. Well, here's the engine. And of course, we got the oil pan all cleaned up. Engine's here. It's under a garbage bag. So it's ready. And all the other parts we sent off and to get blasted. And basically what that will do, get all the old paint off, all the old coating, all the grease, all of that. So we got a nice clean surface to paint and make look brand new. So if you're wondering what that looks like, stick with me. Okay guys, before I get to all those parts, there's a couple things I want to show you. Number one, you'll notice we have a rotisserie here. So yeah, we'll get into all that later. But Alex just pulled up as I was about to show you these parts, and he's got this red, like, looks like a 14 GT on the trailer. Let's see what in the world he's got going on. All right, Alex, what is the story on this thing, dude?
Well, a whole bit of water damage, but I can't find no water in it.
Really? You can see a little bit down here, but
never been clean.
Huh?
You got to see the inside.
What year is this thing?
13.
No kidding. Is it low miles?
99,000 on it.
Oh, that ain't bad. Be careful.
It's clean in there.
A little dusty. But hold on, let's get this thing up and off the trailer here. See what's going on. Alright, you good. Yeah, just see what you do. So this is a 13 6-speed MT82 GT. As you can see, someone did not love this car. I mean, my God. Yeah, apparently. There's 5,600 at the auction, Alex?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5,600 bucks. It's got 99,000 miles on it. Supposedly, it came out of Texas. Supposedly, it's a flood car. But it's also been sitting. Hard to tell. Ooh. Alex, I don't know. That air filter's wet. So the air filter's wet.
Yeah, I just walked around here to hit it.
Oh, okay. So all this is you then?
Yeah, I just washed the car. The car looked like it come out a country road. You see the dash.
Yeah, I saw that. All right, so let's see if we can get this thing to spin over. A little bit of a surprise because I was going to be out here fooling with this with the stock Fox engine, and of course Alex showed up, and I got to show you that car. It's pretty freaking cool. But all right, so looky here, boys and girls, what we got going on here. Shop is looking phenomenal. Of course, there's Corey's 79 on the functional lift, and we got toolboxes over here, so we're looking good, looking very good. Looks like all the wiring's done on Corey's car. But anyway, I keep getting sidetracked, and I'm here to show you one thing today, but there's so much badassery. All right, let me focus. Let's get back to work here. All right, guys, here we go. So, media blasted for your pleasure. All right, let's start with the valve covers. You can see everything is off of them. There's no paint. I mean, this is bare metal. These bad boys are ready for paint. Probably going to maybe try to smooth them out a little bit. We'll see. But of course, they look great. Lower intake looks phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So that's going to look really good. Obviously, this is bare. So I'm not going to do anything with this. This is a bare cast. So that's going to look good. I know it kind of looks almost white, but no sweat. Don't worry about it. Moving on. We've got the upper plenum. Again, there's nothing there. I'm going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to show you guys how to detail those. Those are fun. And, of course, the upper plenum is good to go. The headers, all this will burn off. This is just a protective coating, but these will just look like rust. They are rust. They look like rust. They're just, yeah, that's just what they are, is rust. So there you go. There is the headers. So the detail job on the 93 that I showed you earlier is going to look freaking awesome. Of course, we need to do forward plug wires. We're going to do new vacuum lines, just all the little stuff. Everything's going to be clean within an inch of his life. All the bolts that I reuse, I'm going to hit with a wire brush and clean up as good as I can. Like I said, it's not going to be a 100-point like National Mustang Registry, something or other, Concours build, but it is going to look phenomenal, and you guys are going to absolutely freaking love it. It's going to be all sack in here, and see what Alex got figured out on the 13. All right, Alex, what's the verdict, dude?
So far, looking good.
So far, no water in the cylinders.
Water on coils anyway.
Nice. Those coils actually seal up really good, too.
We still, on the trucks, we have floods come in, they still get around.
Still get
if
past
it's submerged.
it. Yeah, if it's all the way underwater, it's, yeah.
I think this may be one of those water hole deal that
Yeah.
the insurance company.
They just wanted to get out from under a payment.
We got about 5 or 6 of them water hole floods. Yeah.
So,
Break out those garden hose and
yeah,
let it rip and call your agent.
It's a flood car. Come get it. I don't want to pay it.
Got up in the yard and flooded it.
All right, so all the plugs are out. Moment of truth. Battery is totally dead. It's lighting up the eyelids though.
Oh yeah,
Throttle body moved just a bit. So if she spins over, she's good. If not, well, parts. All right, guys. Battery swapped out. It's not pretty, but it's the one off the Fox. As long as it reaches, that's all that matters. So if it sprays water out or doesn't crank, we're done. If it does, we're good.
spray water out there. Don't mess any in the cylinders.
Here we go.
Starter go. That starter.
Starter just going, bringer.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. Yeah.
Love that sign.
Starter is done. Awesome. All right, guys. So here's the deal. The starter is not engaging, so it looks like we're going to need a starter. So Alex is going to run and grab a starter. Stay tuned for more on this one because we're going to do. Alex, you need to get some more of these. These? No.
They're coming.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
I'm gonna show you 3 more. You'll be real tickled with them.
Man, I'm ready to see it. I am ready. So there you go, guys. Update on the bone stock build, electric red 93, and a little bit of bonus right here. 2013 GT, supposedly a flood car, but looking like maybe a little insurance fraud might have happened here. Either way, Alex got a good score on this one. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can get this bad boy running. And, man, so much coming. It's going to be awesome. But, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And catch me next time. Later.